So here's how to use Workfront for project management. Workfront is a cloud-based work management solution that helps teams and organizations plan, track, and manage their work efficiently, focusing on streamlining project management, task collaboration, resource management, and portfolio management across various teams and departments. So first up, we have planning. Here, you can streamline enterprise planning in one place. You can plan campaigns, create and launch briefs, or orchestrate work. Workfront's workflow management helps you easily streamline your planning. Then, we have centralized work. You can connect teams and tools with Workfront. It's your single collaborative system that lets you break down silos and manage all work across the organization. This means you can use Workfront to connect teams and tools in one place. After that, we have automate. Streamline execution and accelerate time to market by eliminating manual work, standardizing processes, and connecting workflows. After that, there's review and approve. Accelerate reviews and approvals with Workfront. This helps your team easily collaborate across projects and applications with automated review and approval capabilities, AI-assisted brand checks, and cross-team access to project details and resources. This will keep your work up and running without needing to check constantly. Now, let's check, measure, and report insights. With Workfront, you can gather insights and make informed decisions. Now, let's check out Workfront use cases. You can scale your project management efforts, centralize project management for agencies and client work, improve cross-functional collaboration, and execute campaign planning flawlessly. All of this helps take your project management to a whole new dimension. If you keep scrolling down, you will see some of the world's biggest companies that use Workfront to make their project management a breeze. With Workfront, you can set up projects using customizable templates. When it comes to customizable templates, these templates are helpful for teams handling similar projects frequently. Templates save time by standardizing tasks, timelines, and dependencies. They minimize errors by pre-filing common tasks and timelines. Templates can be reused across various projects to ensure consistency. And when it comes to task management, Workfront supports task management with task assignment and prioritization. Managers can assign tasks efficiently to team members. Each task includes key details like deadlines, priorities, and resources. This gives team members a clear understanding of their roles, avoid task overlaps, and ensures effective resource utilization. Then comes automated workflows. Automated workflows enables processes that trigger notifications or approvals based on task data changes. For example, when a task is completed, Workfront can notify the next responsible person or request a manager's approval. Workfront includes collaboration tools like comments, document sharing, and real-time updates. Team members can communicate directly within tasks. They can share relevant files and tag colleagues in comments. This reduces reliance on external communication tools and centralizes information in Workfront, helping minimize miscommunication. Workfront offers tools for resource and time management. Managers can view team capacity and distribute resources accordingly. Real-time visibility into workloads prevents overcommitment and burnout. This allows managers to assign tasks more effectively and enhances productivity. To monitor progress, Workfront provides customizable real-time dashboards. These dashboards display data on project progress, resource usage, and budgets. Managers can track performance metrics and adjust plans as needed. This keeps projects on track and ensures timely completion. In summary, Workfront is a comprehensive project management solution. It enhances collaboration, resource management, and tracking. Features like automation, dashboards, and reporting enable teams to stay aligned. Workfront centralizes all activities, making it easier to manage resources, schedules, and objectives. Workfront lays the groundwork for effective project management and successful outcomes. Now, let's talk about Workfront integrations. Workfront also supports third-party integrations, and here you will get to see some different platforms that you can integrate with Workfront easily. You can see more companies that use Workfront to optimize their work. You can read through their articles to learn more. On the Workfront website, you can go over the use cases section and check out all these sections to learn more. You will see information on different ways you can use Workfront. Now, let's talk about their pricing. If you go over to their pricing section, you'll be able to see all their available plans like Select, Prime, and Ultimate. If you scroll through, you will get to see all the features offered by each of the plans. If you select a certain plan, you will need to fill in all of your details over here, starting with your first name, last name, business email, business phone number, and then select your job title or role. You can select from all the options available. Then select your department from the options as well. After that, you need to put in your organization name and choose your country from the list. Then, set your state and province if needed. You can scroll through the options and choose the one that applies. And lastly, you can just go ahead and put in your zip code and click on Submit on the bottom. This will give you a custom pricing depending on your requirements. If you want to compare Workfront with other competitors, go ahead and click on Competitive Comparison. On this page, you can compare Workfront to other work management software. Scroll down and you will get to see all the details on why Workfront is different than other solutions. You will get to see information on how Workfront differs on specific parts of project management. So read through this information to make informed decisions on which project management software you want to use, but ultimately, you will find Workfront to be better. If you go over to Resources on the top, you will find all the resources about Workfront on this page. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will get to see that there are a lot more pages that you can explore for resources on Workfront. So go through this information to learn more about Workfront and how to manage your projects more efficiently. You can also use the search bar if you want to search for something specific. So that is exactly how to use Workfront for project management. Using Workfront for your project management will make your project management much more efficient.